Alright boys and girls, we're back with the Camp Dog. In the last episode we put a radiator under the boot and it works sick. Our water temperatures don't go over 90 degrees now on cruising, and we can go and give it a rip down the road. It'll go up to about 95. As soon as we back off, temperatures come down, they sit on 88 to 90 degrees and it's working sweet. Soon after that, Nick Carr developed this weird noise. I'm just going to fire it up so you can have a listen. It only happens at idle. Wait for the idle to drop a little bit. I'll unplug a coil. Oh no, there you go. But as soon as you lift the throttle, so I'm pretty confident that it's not the engine because you can rev it like that and it sounds sweet. So we're either looking at flex plate, torque converter, maybe something's wrong with the new gearbox. We don't know. We'll pull it out now and have a look. So first things first, I've dropped the exhaust and I'm trying to see if the flex plate bolts are loose. They look tight. If I spin the balancer a little bit, it'll be a bit rough with that. Nothing is making a noise. If we zoom in there, I don't know if you can see that on the camera or not, but it looks like there's a bit of damage underneath the bolt. The bolts are tight, so how are they moving? I think the bolts for the flex plate to the torque converter might be like 1/2 mil too long. So although they're tight and it is grabbing the flex plate, they might be bottomed out so the flex plate is still able to move in that bolt area. So all I can try first is I'm going to pull the bolts out. I'll shorten them down a little bit. I can see inside the converter if they've been bottoming out anyway, but I'll shorten them down a little bit, put them back in, Loctite them up, and then fire the car up and see if the noise goes away. So I've just whipped out one of the flex plate bolts and I can see straight away on the flex plate that the hole's like elongated. So when I removed that first bolt, I was able to move the flex plate and the torque converter, so it's clear that's what's going on. So you're probably wondering why the factory bolts are bottoming out, and that's because they're not factory, they're out of our nut and bolt box. So now we've cut them all to the right length, I'm going to Loctite them and put them back in, and we'll see if the noise is gone. If I unplug a coil, it should drop the RPM low enough. Yes, it's fixed.
Wings reflect the stars that guide me towards salvation.
Yeah.
I stopped an old man along the way, hoping to find some long forgotten words or ancient melodies. He turned to me as if to say, "Hurry, boy, it's waiting there for you." It's gonna take a lot to drive me away from you. There's nothing that 100 men or more can ever do. I must race down in Africa. Gonna take some time to do the things I never.
Sausages. 7. That's gangster. But that is
nitrous to get off the line.
Why wouldn't go?
It just sits at $2,000 or whatever, and then as soon as I'm off it, it's just like.
Doesn't want to move. What about the tyres that hook up pretty good?
Yeah, it was good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
4,
8,
3,
9, 10,
1.
11, 12. It's got one more in it.
13's like unlucky.
13, not good number.
13,
Maybe
not bad.
14.
13, not bad.
Not good.
All right, let's go. First half of the track, it doesn't move. It's just.
So that was it still pulling hard in third though?
Not like massively hard, but it was pulling.
Yeah, right. Okay.
But there wasn't much boost in it.
I think it's gonna be a little bit more now.
Yeah.
Did it drive straight though?
Yeah, it felt good. It wasn't until right at the top of third gear it started wobbling.
What was wobbling?
The whole car was wobbling.
Sounded good.
32 psi.
So another 32 psi, so another 10 clicks.
I'll check it over on the logs, but when that started making boost, that was fucking pulling. And it started making some kanga.
What was your mile an hour?
113.
Okay.
32 pounds. As soon as you change gears, it spikes, so it goes to like 33 pounds.
Okay.
And then it comes back down again.
Speak to me. What are you thinking? How many?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Hey, one more.
You said 12.
You said 11.
No,
Hey, I said 10, you said 12. We go middle ground. 11.
I did say 20.
Boys, you know that's going to be rolling in nearly 40. Let's change the overboost.
Okay.
Pressure. Okay. So I'll just do the stall.
Something's wrong. That was like 20 clicks from 111 mile to 115. Something's wrong with that.
Biggest spring.
Bigger spring and a Mack valve.
Back to back, yeah.
I've come around the corner probably 50k an hour and the back wheels have slipped. Like I've never had the back slide out, so I straight away pulled over because I knew something was leaking.
Give me a look, Jerry, with the torch.
It's fucking everywhere, bro. It's all up here.
Oh dear. Boys, if we done one more drag pass, that would have gone into the wall.
Same thing, bro. Look, the inside of the plug's just full of oil. It'll be leaking through the plug again, like last one.
Yeah, that's dangerous. That's two. All right, that's it. Signing off.
To the car
Back to the
wash.
workshop.